In this video, I will show you how to set up dual SIM call settings in your Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go to your phone dialer. You have to open up your phone dialer. Next thing you need to do, as you can see right here, I have SIM1 and SIM2 right here. Now, how to make sure that these two are displayed on your phone right here so that you can be able to make a call from either SIM1 or SIM2. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do when you get to your dialer, simply click on the setting icon right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to carrier features. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, from the carrier feature sections right here, you have SIM1 and SIM2. The next follow it here is make and receive call. Then next one here is make call with. So click on make call with, and this is going to pop up right here. Now, if you choose a default SIM right here, let's say for instance, I choose SIM2, which is Glo. Now, if I go back to my dialer and I try to make a call, so if I'm trying to make a call like, let's for instance, I want to dial a call right here. Now, how do you set up two dialer and make a call between SIM1 or SIM2? What you need to do is to make sure you go back to your setting icon right here. Then you have to go back to your carrier features. Then go to make call with. So this time around, make sure you put it in ask first. When you put it in ask first, go back to your dialer. Then now you can try to make a call. So I'm going to dial this particular number right here. Now, when I try to dial a number, this pump up, choose SIM for this call. It's either you choose SIM1 or you choose SIM2. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.